I love you too.
Be my bae.
Be my bae.
I did.
Whoa.
Yo, go sit down. Yo, people sit down. No. Hey, sit down. You can run if you want. If you want. It's so nice. Nice fun. Where are you from?
This is what they teach you in school. They teach you to not like subdue to like peer pressure.
Oh well.
Why do you keep lowering the mic? Jeez. There you go.
Oh, Riker, do the Jack Sparrow.
Thank you.
I got a song from Rocky. I actually stole this from Rocky, but say that. I said this was so awesome, and I can't remember failing miserably. Do you know how to play it? I forgot how to play it.
I'm the real talent.
Yes.
See what I'm saying?
That's why he's my best friend. Can you guys hear that? Now she's back in the atmosphere, drops Jupiter in her head.
Yeah, but booty no.
Acts like summer and walks like rain, reminds me that it's time to change, yeah. I don't know if I know this part, but tell me, did the wind sweep you out there? I think that's what it is. Finally get the chance to dance with all the light of day. I don't know. Back to the Milky Way. Tell me, did Venus blow your mind? Everything you wanted to find. Yeah, you sing it. I don't know it.
Come on, Rocky.
Hello.
Oh, it works.
Hi, Mark.
He's a boy.